What is good, everyone? Welcome back to day 7 of documenting my journey of becoming a consistently profitable day trader. Today is Tuesday, June 30th. Today I took 2 trades, a loss and a win, so I'm slightly green on the day. I'm going to get into all of that, why I took them, the lessons that I learned from them, but first let's get right into market bias. All right, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we are clearly bullish towards these relative equal highs here. So going into the day, I was hoping for a sweep, a move lower to sweep out this 4-hour intermediate low to then target the 4-hour intermediate high. All right, getting right into the first trade setup. So you can see at market open, we did not manipulate lower. So I couldn't take a long setup off that. And we just ripped higher, taking out the close high here. But we did leave the 4-hour intermediate high here. You can see we barely did not take it out. And so with dang near equal highs, I was extremely bullish towards it. So we retraced a little bit and then got okay displacement. I thought I was extremely bullish, and so I went ahead and entered this one for longs. My break even was just at the high, and I was just going to target 1-to-1. Unfortunately, got stopped out of this one. It wasn't like super clean setup. I was super bullish towards the high. I could have been more picky and more patient, but we retraced a little and I entered. It is what it is. It wasn't the cleanest setup, but yeah. All right, the second trade setup that I did take was absolutely a plus. You can see that we wicked down very heavily and then displaced higher. So for the good structure, we tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap, and then we got A plus displacement higher with an A plus draw on liquidity being these relative equal highs, dang near equal highs. And then I just had a clear break even level just being this high right here. So how did this one play out? Went up. I thought I was just going to get manipulated out potentially again, just because it was chopping a little bit. But yeah, we got clean displacement, and then we did move higher. I just targeted a 1-to-1 because there was no clear, obvious draws on liquidity very close. Yeah, we have this 4-hour up here, but I mean, if you see it, like it's not really like it's not like a high, which I really like to target. It's just a 4-hour for value gap, which we did eventually hit later in the session. But yeah, this was the winner I took. Absolute A plus, super textbook, super clean. I'd take this 100 out of 100 times. But yeah, basically break even on the day, just barely up green on the accounts. Lesson that I take away from today is this first trade wasn't as clean as it could have been. It wasn't like an obvious retracement. We barely retraced on the overall leg, whereas the second one was super clean and super obvious. So anyways, that is it from today's trading recap. If you want to follow along with my journey, hit the subscribe button below. If you want to follow me on Instagram at natetrades.official. See you boys tomorrow for day number 8 of documenting my journey becoming a consistently profitable day trader. Peace out, boys.